Hi.
Hello,
What's your name?
I'm Noriel Mandulu.
What again? What's your name?
Noriel Mandulu.
L'Oreal.
Noriel.
Noriel. How do you spell?
Noriel.
Noriel. Okay. How old are you, Noriel?
I'm 20.
Are you married?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Your family is composed of how many members?
Three. One girl and two boys. And I'm the youngest.
Okay. Do you have friends or relatives in Malaysia?
No.
Can you speak louder so that I can hear you? Okay. What are your plans after you finished your contract?
And I want to finish my course because I'm undergraduate.
Of what?
Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management.
Okay. Okay. What are your qualifications for this position?
My qualifications, first, I have experience and I studied and I train in the Hotel Grace Lane, the Pampanga, San Fernando, Philippines.
Are you working now?
No,
Okay. Do you have any past work experience that is related to this position?
yes.
What? What it is?
I train in Hotel Grace Lane
As?
as a waiter.
As a waiter. Okay. What do you do as a waiter?
I serve different people in
What
other
kind of
than
service?
um,
Buffet style? What
buffet
kind
style.
of buffet style? Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.
Thank you.